Let's convert this old diary into a purse. In this diary, I used to write all my video ideas and scripting, but now that it's full, I thought of turning it into something cute like a purse. So first of all, I removed all the pages from this diary. Inside it, there was a foam cushioning. After removing it, I washed it clean. Isn't it looking so small and cute? While it was drying, I took a foam sheet and compared it with the diary's form. Both were almost the same size. I folded the foam sheet in half and divided it into two pieces. Then I took a white t-shirt piece, placed fur over it, and cut it according to the required size. At first, I thought of making a Labubu doll, but since the trend has faded, I decided to make an evergreen purse instead. Now I took B6000 glue and applied it on the foam sheet pieces and sticking on the fur cloth. I took a glue again and applied it between the foam sheets and placing the cloth piece over it. Then I glued all four corners of the cloth piece and stuck them neatly. Next, I turned it upside down and stitched it. I did not have a sewing machine, so I did hand stitching. I stitched only bottom and the right side first. Then, for the top part, I folded the cloth and fur, glued it and stitched it again for a finished look. After that, I took a zipper and attached one side to the fur part and the other side to the other part. The chain was a bit longer, so I adjusted it according to the purse size and stitched it so that it could open and close easily. Now, I turned the purse inside out and voila! The purse part is ready. But to make it look even more glam, I decided to add rhinestones and decorate the unicorn part of the fur. At first, I thought adding rhinestone might spoil its cuteness, but after adding them, the look was totally uplifted. Trust me, camera couldn't do justice to how cute it actually looked. Finally, I took a thread, added some cute beads and made a strap for it. And that's it. Our beautiful DIY purse is ready.